So just finishing up this corner here, we've come all the way around with the hog rings. This is the hinge cover side here where the two pieces of the seat will come together. It's nothing really special, but a lot of people really don't know what to do with these. They either just cut them off, or from the factory, GM just kind of tucked them in and hog ringed them. The seat pulls, sometimes they're necessary. On these seats here, we've made such a nice fitting seat cover, they're not really all that necessary to be able to pull and tug. It's mainly when I use them, it's going to be on bucket seats. So just take it and hog ring it right there to finish that one up. So like I said, no need to chop it off or anything like that. Just kind of tuck it in a hidden spot there. And I'll take this one and kind of hide it underneath there. And just kind of hog ring both of them in that location right there. And you've got that side right there pretty much all finished up. Turn it around where you can see it. So the hinge cover will go over top of this. We'll wind up poking holes in the vinyl and then joining the other two pieces together here in just a minute. So we've got the bottom seat cover all the way on. The next step would be to actually make the holes for the safety catch here, and then also in this location here for the back rest of the seat to attach to the bottom. So the way that we do that is just take a standard utility knife. You can just take your finger and actually feel for the hole. Come in here and just make an X in the material there. So the hole for the safety catch is in the top corner there. And the hole for the backrest is down low here. If you're unsure, then take the backrest and you can actually mock it up to make sure that you're doing it in the right location. After you make your X's here, then just grab you a normal pair of scissors, come in here and just cut the little triangles that it makes to cut the hole out. It doesn't have to be perfect because all of this is going to be covered up by the hinge cover anyway, and also the bolt heads themselves. So if you don't get a perfect cut, just as long as you don't go too big, it's all going to be covered up. So just cut your hole out nice and smooth like that. Got both of them cut out there. Next step, I'm going to do this upside down. I know from experience and also taking it apart that the little dog leg here is going to face the front part of the seat. There's also washers that go in behind that to keep it from actually touching the vinyl. Gonna put the original washer back on there. These bolts, you want them to be snug but not so tight that they're compressing the bracket or making a lot of tension. Like that is too tight because it's flowing smoothly but not smooth enough. So we'll test it once I get it the right side up. So it needs to be able to freely move like that. So next step, I'm gonna flip this thing back over. I'm gonna get some help in actually mating the backrest to it. Actually, at first I gotta put the actual seat cover on the backrest. So we'll do that first, and then we'll show you how to mate the two together.